Hi, I'm Andrew, Product Manager at EGO. Today I'll walk you through the HPW1800E, our new compact battery-powered pressure washer. It's a compact, portable solution designed for everyday outdoor cleaning with the flexibility of cordless operation and compatibility across the EGO 56-volt battery platform. So let's begin with the overall design. The HPW1800E has a suitcase-sized footprint and weighs just enough to feel stable without being bulky. It includes integrated storage for the hoses and wands and a built-in handle for easy carrying. And tool-free setup so that you're ready to go in under a minute. Whether it's stored in a shed or loaded into a vehicle, it's built to be easy to move and easy to store. From a technical standpoint, the HPW1800E delivers 125 bar of pressure or around 1800 psi. It moves up to 270 litres of water per hour and is powered by a 1400 watt motor. The battery compartment is sealed to protect against water spray, and the unit draws water either from a standard garden hose or from a static source using the included siphon hose. This gives you the freedom to use it in places without direct water supply. Setup is straightforward. Connect your water source, either a hose or the siphon, and insert any charged EGO 56-volt battery. Attach the high pressure hose, the trigger and the wand, and then choose from one of the 4 included nozzles, depending on your task. All connections are quick connect, so connecting hoses or swapping between accessories is easy. Once connected, turn on with the power button. And you have 3 selectable power modes: low, high and turbo. This gives you control over the pressure and battery efficiency, depending on what you're cleaning. For example, you might use low power for a quick rinse, high for general surfaces, and turbo for heavier dirt and stonework. The nozzles are designed for different levels of cleaning power and spray coverage. Starting with the 40-degree nozzle, this is your go-to for general rinsing and delicate surfaces. It's especially good for car exteriors and glass and painted surfaces, where you want wide coverage without risking damage. The 25-degree nozzle provides a stronger stream, but still with broad coverage. This is ideal for bikes, fences, garden tools, or areas where dirt is a bit more stubborn, but the surface is still sensitive. The 15-degree nozzle delivers a more concentrated stream. Use this for durable surfaces like stone, patios, brickwork and concrete, where you need to lift deep set dirt or algae. The turbo nozzle is a rotating 0-degree jet. It combines the force of a narrower stream with a rotating spray pattern to deliver maximum impact. This is your best option for cleaning heavily soiled concrete, old masonry or weathered stone, but it's not suitable for vehicles or delicate materials due to the intensity. Also included is a foam cannon. This attaches directly to the trigger and is used to apply detergent. By mixing the soap with water and air, it generates a thick foam that will cling to the surface, helping to loosen the dirt and grime on surfaces like car paintwork, windows or external building cladding. It improves cleaning efficiency by allowing the soap to cling longer before rinsing. From a safety perspective, the unit is low to the ground and stable during operation. The trigger has a safety lock and all of the electrical components, including the battery housing, are splash protected. The hose fittings are designed for one-handed use and lock securely in place. In practical terms, the HPW1800E performs well across outdoor cleaning needs, from decks and driveways to tools, garden equipment and vehicles. The selectable speed settings are especially helpful when adjusting cleaning power based on the task, while also extending the runtime when you need it. And once you're done, storage is straightforward. The trigger and wand clip directly into the body of the unit and the nozzles fit neatly inside. The hoses can be strapped to the machine for portability. The compact footprint means that the unit can be stored upright in tight spaces, and it is genuinely portable. It's easy to take from place to place. Of course, it runs on the same EGO 56-volt battery system as our full range of tools, so there's no need for separate charger or batteries. It's a great addition for users who already own EGO tools, or for anyone looking for a clean, flexible alternative to corded pressure washers. So that's the HPW1800E, compact, capable and cordless. For full specifications and support materials, please visit our website or speak to your local EGO representative. Thank you for watching.